My name is Ansu. I am a professional bird guide in Gambia. I've been doing this job for about 13 years now. And I have a strategy to imitate birds if you like to see the birds closer to you. You call its call, like for example the oriole warbler, which is a very difficult bird to see. But when you whistle its call, it will come closer to you. And then the call is like, this is a very, very alarming call of him because it has different calls. It can also call like, this call, wherever it is hiding, you will see him coming around to see whether it's another fellow of him. So you'll have the chance to video the bird and take picture of this bird. And not only this bird, you could also imitate the oriole warbler, which is also a very nice bird. To say about the hawks, you can also whistle the long-crested hawk eagle by saying, we have this alarming call, and wherever it is roosting, as we know where they roost and nest, you can see them flying over. And then with the videos, you can have access to take a picture of this hawk eagle. And talking about the African fish eagle, is also a very common eagle around the suitable area that we know of. So with us, you can have a good access of these raptors. And it calls like, and then with this call, wherever it is, because we know the area where they roost or nest, it will fly over, and then you see him soaring low over your head. So with the camera or video that you have this advantage of seeing this bird. And talking about this woodland species, you can also see this cuckoo, red-shouldered cuckoo shrikes around the wood, like Bluefoot woods. And then when you imitate it by its call, like, wherever it is, it will all show off. So come with me and enjoy the experience of these birds' calls, and you will definitely have experience you learn from it. So you're highly welcome. Thank you.